100 plus advanced English versus basic English sentences. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Normal English. Let's meet today. Advanced English. Let's catch up today. Normal English. I am very hungry. Advanced English. I am starving. Normal English. I am very happy. Advanced English. I am over the moon. Normal English. I am very busy. Advanced English. I am swamped. Normal English. Why are you so angry? Advanced English. Why are you so pissed off? Normal English. I am very tired. Advanced English. I am exhausted. Normal English. It's very cold outside. Advanced English. It's freezing outside. Normal English. Hurry up, we are getting late. Advanced English. Chop chop, we are getting late. Normal English. Stop wasting time. Advanced English. Stop paffing around. Normal English. Keep it a secret. Advanced English. Keep it under wraps. Normal English. How are you? Advanced English. How is it going? Normal English. It's not so difficult. Advanced English. It's not a rocket science. Normal English. Can I come tomorrow? Advanced English. Can I drop in tomorrow? Normal English. I am fit and healthy. Advanced English. I am fit as a fiddle. Normal English. Are you mad? Advanced English. Are you out of mind? Normal English. I am a bit busy. Advanced English. I am a bit tied up. Normal English. It's time to study. Advanced English. It's time to hit the books. Normal English. I like you a lot. Advanced English. I am so into you. Normal English. Text me when you get free. Advanced English. Hit me up when you get free. Normal English. Leave me alone. Advanced English. Give me a break. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's make Learning English Easy channel, and please let me know your feedback related to this video in the comment section. Your feedback really motivates me to bring new videos to you every day. These advanced English sentences will definitely enhance your English speaking capability and will upgrade you from basic English speaker to advanced English speaker. If you also want to sound like a native English speaker, then start using these advanced English sentences instead of basic English sentences. Thanks for watching once again. See you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.